YouTube, too cool too. Let me do a quick video here while I walk along. So the snow fell. We got like maybe an inch. Wasn't that much. You see everything's like frozen and like slushy. Now this is like half ice, half slush. And just all like on the sidewalk. So be careful of black ice. There's all the slush, the freeze. I mean, it's not on the slush. You'll see it, but in some areas you won't. So just be careful, everyone. Especially the roads are dangerous. Sorry, I'm walking along doing this, but I'm a calculus test. I'm missed the train. Usually I don't take the train. Usually get driven. So now, making it a nice day. Alright, so thanks for watching YouTube. Bye bye.